Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The UK's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. The US labour force participation rate at 12:30 GMT. Finland's trade balance will be released at 6 GMT. The French current account at 6:45 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The three major US stock indexes were higher as labour market data did not change expectations for an interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve this month. Shares of chip company Broadcom, considered a key artificial intelligence player, were up 1.2% ahead of its quarterly results. Big crypto investors, or whales, were suffering millions in losses on the Trump family-linked World Liberty Financial token, which continued to decline despite a proposal to reduce the circulating supply. The US dollar was steady in a volatile week ahead of a crucial jobs report and with data indicating labour market weakness, which has reinforced expectations the Federal Reserve will cut rates this month.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 1.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.